per se.
No, you can't.
Why can't that be an ISS server?
Here, you hold it. I have an unsteady hand. My hand's sitting there like.
It can't be an IIS server because then the website would be down.
Thank you.
Oh, did I just prove a point for you?
Supposed to do it in slow motion.
Well, it's gonna be a minute, so.
Those rocks really hurt.
How much did you put in
Here,
there?
you film it.
A lot.
See, I'm backing up.
Like another 30 seconds, if that.
I'm standing behind Chris.
It's a really small bottle.
Funny. Everyone else was thinking that.
Here, Devin.
What if it doesn't go off?
Here.
How long do you wait before it goes up?
About 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
I can't use that one. That one's illegal.
What's illegal?
Having a remote detonator.
Jaws theme song. Chris. Jaws theme song?
Jaws theme song.
Oh, no.
Yeah, the bottle's too small. The bottle's too small. I don't have any other smaller bottle.
Made a noise. Hey, for the noise! Hey.
You need a wah-wah.
Oh, don't tell him his explosions weren't big enough, please.
That was great.
He's like, I know it's not big enough.
Oh, I used a little water.
Is that where